1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then alternate chucking. Bilang. Then tuhod 8 times. Then ilalim 8 times. Then Achilles 4 times. Okay. Then rotation medial, malleolus 4 times yan. Then slide 4 times. Okay, next lateral. Then ilalim uli. Ganun uli 8 times. Then Achilles 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then press na. Solar plexus. Then stretching, inversion, eversion, dorsiflexion, pataas, plantar flexion, rolling, slapping, pounding, then kneading upward 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then knuckles 2 times pababa. 1, 2. Then pataas. 1, 2. Okay, then pukpok na, pounding. 1, 2, 3, then cupping. 1, 2, 3.